हे फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक. सो एवरी टाइम मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ बाय मेकिंग चाय और पराठास, बट दिस टाइम आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट योगा. सो येस, दैट्स योगा एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टे फिट इन लाइफ. एंड ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपने सिर्फ हार्डकोर एक्सरसाइजेस करनी है, आप बहुत ही बेसिक योगा करके भी अपने आप को फिट रख सकते हो. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी एक्टिव दीज डेज, कंसिडरिंग there is no movement outside house, there is no walking, there is no train traveling, there is no nothing, there is no gym. So घर में रहकर जितना कर सकते हैं we should do it. अगले दिन नौमी थी, so I had to apply मेहंदी. तो in my society there is a girl जो मेहंदी लगा के देते हैं, and I thought कि मैं मेहंदी लगा के आती हूँ because it is नौमी the next day. And also, by the way, I love applying मेहंदी. So yeah. Good morning everyone. So आज नौमी है और आज क्या करते हैं आज हम?
जोत करते हैं.
ओके, सो आज हम थैंक्स कर रहे हैं. तो आज हम जोत करते हैं और बहुत यमी यमी खाना बनता है घर पे, जो सब मैं नहीं खा रही बिकॉज आई वांट अ डाइट. बट या लिटिल बिट थोड़ा बहुत मैं लूँगी एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. ऑल्सो since it's a big day today, any big day, any festival, Mehndi is a compulsion. So yeah, and also I love applying Mehndi. And normally I do not wake up before 11 a.m. these days because we're working from home. But then today, being Nomi, I have to make all the yummy खाना. तो खाना नहीं है पर बनाना तो है. तो आज जल्दी उठ गए 7 बजे and I went off to sleep at 2 a.m. last night, so that's just 5 hours of sleep. And my body cannot function with just 5 hours of sleep. I need minimum 9 hours of sleep, but I'll be napping in the afternoon. So yeah, let's see how the day goes about. Hi. So puja is done, food is in the making, dress up done. See ya later. So today we are at our city and I had to buy my the cord for the charger, and we thought let's just explore a little more because of course lockdown के बाद first time coming to the mall. So yeah, and there's like sale literally everywhere. It doesn't make sense to buy anything at the moment except for nightwear, because that's what we're wearing throughout the day, right? Pajamas in the day, pajamas at night. एंड सिंस यहाँ क्रॉसवर्ड है, सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि why not get myself some books and I'll spend some time reading. जो इतने टाइम में कभी भी वक्त नहीं मिला पढ़ने का, but now I'm thinking I'll read a bit. So yeah, I'll get back. I'm looking for this particular book by the author Jean Sasson, but unfortunately it looks like it's out of stock. Let's just check a little more. Otherwise मुझे शायद Amazon से ही मंगानी होगी. So now I am headed to Shopper Stop, and there are these specific sort of plates that I'm looking for. They are bamboo and plant-based material की plates that I'm looking for, and let's hope I find. जो book मुझे चाहिए थी वो मुझे नहीं मिली है, and I'll obviously get it from Amazon now since Crossword shows it's out of stock. So yeah, let's go check if I find those plates. The plates are really nice. They are organic and bamboo material or plant-based material से बनी हुई है. They're not glass, they're not melamine, they're not bone china, and they have very cute prints. Nice printed plates. So let's check. Here we are at Home Stop, and let's go find crockery. I can see it there, that corner. So we're finally done with our shopping, and it was a nice day. उन्होंने शायद सारा construction वगैरह कर रहे हैं in the mall, repair work or something like that. You can see in the background. So repair work going on everywhere, of course, because they're taking advantage of the situation, because इतने लोग आ नहीं रहे. Best time to get done with all the repair work. And the best part about the place is कि they have like sanitizers and everything everywhere, which I'm sure is a common thing, but also they're cleaning it up so regularly, so frequently, that it's a nice experience to be in a mall now. Feels really clean, less crowded, and yeah. So after visiting the mall, I thought of going to my mom's place to spend the evening with her, and as family we all played cards. Family के साथ cards खेलने बहुत ही मज़ा आता है. It's a very good pastime. So today's vlog I'll be ending with showing you all what I got. I mentioned about the bamboo and the pill plates, so I'll be showing you all what I got, and if you all like it, you all can get it too. They are very reasonable, not so expensive, very easy on the pocket, and again difficult to break, so won't break easily, and that's the best part, you know. This thing का advantage ये है कि इतनी आसानी से ब्रेक नहीं होंगी ये, and also it's not plastic or melamine, so the material is really nice. One of my uncle के घर पे मैंने ये देखी थी, and I fell in love with it, so I thought I'll just ask him कि ये कहाँ से लिया, and that's when he recommended this place to me. So this brand, so I'll show you the plate first. This is the plate. Pretty na? Nice print they have. Okay, and this is the brand. Back to Earth. Or yeah, Back to Earth. So I bought one of this, and then one of this. Pretty butterflies, cute little butterflies. Nice. And then I got like a bowl as well. Those guys did like real lot of mehnat in packing it. मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है उसको इस तरीके से खोलते हुए, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है उनको बहुत मेहनत करते हुए टू डू द बबल रैप एंड द सेलो टेपिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. So yeah, this is the bowl, same brand, and look how deep it is for soup, for Maggi, whatever. And this is another bowl. Cute print. I think this matches with the plate, the first plate that I showed you all. Again, deep. So yeah, that's about it.